Yeah, part two now, Zane. Me I tell us when the Rasta man get the kick in at the grill, Me say when I teach them fly gone, so man. I know so when we get visiting, you know what we do? We put up a juice them on the grill and the syrup them on the grill. You see? And me I tell you say, when time the Rasta see blood and seeing teeth fly, cause he did a born Jesus in the beginning, and a born Babylon and them thing there, Him ball out, Jesus Christ, police, police. And him a ball out for police, you see it? So you know say, the next man go do so now and forward in himself. And I will tell you something, I did some bump on my straight set so. Keep back on my straight so. And go on like me and sleep. Because I saw jailhouse standing, you have to sleep with one of the eye them half open. You know them way there? You know anytime a man head can chip out and thing, you see? I just saw jailhouse come down, you see? I don't know what I say. I see the local man there on him belly. See? And I crawl towards the man visiting back. Because you know so when you not get visit at them place there, man. Hungry, kick you, man, and make you have to wait for your entitlement, And more like take long, You see it? And a man, big bag, ready to hide them. Says if you're not militant and know for wall out, you see me? You know what go on. I say the man crawl upon him belly so like a soldier and use his mouth to take out the man biscuit out of the bag so. And I watch the man so with my one eye. You see it? I'm just a bad man. I say, bad man, what kind of style like? You're bad man, not styling already, I'm just a bum and go in my bag and give him something for it. You see it? Because somebody with the youth them said, you know them with it? Come here, tell us, now what go on now. The man get up on a row and I say, oh, stop ramping my things, I said the next morning, because say in the evening, the police them carry rat cake and things, come and give the jailers them. The man have film rat cake and put it on. In the morning, the dog mash up a rat cake. The dog get up and start murder him with lick up in the wall, police have to come move him out. Because police not too like them style and all that. You know them way there. I mean I tell you say, how jailhouse come down right now, see? Any man will forward in the jail, the man them watch all your program, they watch how you operate, and say, say you. When Rasta man forward, the Rasta man a rooster. You have to wake up a man them every morning. Every morning when we do sabam, we hear the Rasta a crow. Rasta fear crow. I have one next man. We done a black there so. One thick black, in favor of pit bull. I am my dog. It's when time the search thing go on. The search team them a forward. I am a bark like a dog. And alert the man them say, you hear me? Search a go on, search a go on. You see me? So I saw jailhouse come down and I tell you say, you have to wise and militant in a jail. Because if you're not militant, I know what go on. When you do something and get your visit, And thing, and you give a man some, You see me? And every man go on either because you militant and you have to rate you if you take some of your food. So yeah, so man when you do something and give you them food, tomorrow they start cuss you. Pussy, you not get no visit round jail. Hey boy, you're over jail. You're over jail. You say you're a mad man. Nobody no response to your jail. And you see if you not get no visit at jail, you have to be bad man. We beat up boy, cut up boy every day. And people say, yo, see that you out there? Bad boy and I'm rate him, You have a weed and everything and he asks you give him. You can't style them man there. Because them man they are wicked man without money. You see me? While they have some wicked man we say, oh, grow them where they want him own things. So there's many kind of youth in a jail, you see. And I tell you, say, yo, after I do something one day and kick back in I sell same stuff. I say, say me I got a coat. Because I have two jammer, Because I saw a thing going on, man, I be there if you have a look jammer if somebody ramp there, And you know, say, when I left out, I sell and got a coat. I come back from a coat with my head hurt me. So you know, say, after I do something now, I see a one man give me a eye so. So I do something and go look whisper I left my jammer. Whisper I left my jammer, I don't see it there. So here I look at man and say to me, say, say search, go on. I say search, go on. And at the same time, God work it out that the police forward, same time on the block and say, who they on ban list? Tell me, release on the name so we can get visit this week. I remember, see if search go on and then go find her with jammer, then go ban a visit for all a month and thing. No man in I cell now answer. So man militant, so I just keep back so. and I meds and shut me eye, you see it. So I go to the bathroom the next morning, go bed now. I see how one man said so. I bed with him jam, I hitch up, yeah, so. And him a look round, and some of us the way over in the end of the pipe a bed and start sing a song, and run a TJ song, you know. Just a press a man make it out. If you hear my voice, the way out there so. Says when you hear my voice, the way out there so. We just make 3 big steps, boom, 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 boom. Take off the jam off and waist and say, bad man. I want you and I selling a war, daddy. I want you are praying and I sell. I'm just a bomb and be off and think I'm a film jammer now. I'm just a bomb now and going and sell now. I say, I hear me? I want my jammer, you know. I want my jammer when I left the say, you know. Man, I say, you know, have it. Some say, I hear me? I want to search every man bag. Every man clothes them. I want to search and find out where my things there. I just feel a man waist, shorts waist so. I feel my jammer in night. So I say, yeah, hear me? Say, if you have my jammer, youth, just give me. Don't make me find it. Daddy. Just give me my jammer. I don't know where I pray me for all I win I sell and where I live good and man, nah, give me my jammer. I only fight that I go on with still. I'm there at jail because I not too love fight. You know what I'm there? And take out my jammer and I start thumping him up and thing and lick up in head and thing and police them forward there and make them know say you have jammer and one just give them it. You see me, because you have a full of style and you have a full of craft, you know. Even though I have 2 jammer now, you know. I just shoot out one of jammer and say, you hear me? So all this and this thing you have in here, I want to tap me up in and you see me? And then just move him out of his head. You see me? So you know say you gone over your time now, so you know say yo, just look out for part 3. Out.